What's happening, everybody? Big Pencil coming at you again with a nutting. It's Saturday morning, well, Saturday afternoon, excuse me. We had a dog drive this morning. We did kill one nice 9-point. We are on the way to the dove hunt. We'll see what happens. Stand by. Dang, boy, I can't even get him to spot good yet. You'll shoot him off the line. I'll give him a fair chance. Hi-ya, bird, get off that line. That's one of them big ringneck doves.
Oh, that was a big one, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was a ringneck dove there. That